How to refund Cash App payment. In this tutorial, I will show you step by step how to refund Cash App payment. First, open or launch the Cash App mobile application, just like you can see here. This is the homepage of the app. After that, go to the bottom menu, where you will see several options that you can use to navigate to different areas of the app. From those options, the one we need is this one here. It is the activity icon. Make sure you tap on it. This will then take you to this page, where you will see all these different options, such as the payments you have made and any other activity you have carried out. From the options, look for the payment you want to refund. After you find it, tap on it, and a page similar to this one here will appear. From the page, make sure you tap these three dots here at the top right corner of the screen. Once you tap on it, this other page here will appear. The page has several different options that you can apply to the payment. From the options that are here, the one we need is the one named Refund. Make sure you tap on it. Just like that, the payment will be refunded. I hope this tutorial has helped you find a solution to the issue you are facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. That is, how to refund Cash App payment.